To place a new order on Metatrader 5, first open the platform and navigate to the Toolbox window, where you will find the Terminal section. In the Terminal section, click on the New Order button or press F9 to open the order window. In the order window, select the symbol you want to trade by clicking on the symbol drop-down menu and choosing the desired currency pair or financial instrument. Then, choose the volume of the trade by specifying the number of lots you want to buy or sell. Next, specify the type of order you want to place, which can be a market order, limit order, stop order, or stop limit order. A market order is executed immediately at the current market price, while a limit order is executed when the market price reaches a specified level. A stop order is used to limit losses, and a stop limit order is a combination of a stop order and a limit order. After selecting the order type, set the price at which you want to buy or sell the symbol. For a market order, the price will be the current market price, while for a limit or stop order, you need to specify the price level at which the order should be executed. You can also set a stop loss and take profit level for your order. A stop loss is used to limit potential losses, and a take profit is used to lock in profits when the market price reaches a certain level. Once you have filled in all the required fields, click on the Sell or Buy button to place the order. The order will be executed immediately if it is a market order, or it will be pending if it is a limit or stop order. It is essential to carefully review your order before placing it to ensure that all the details are correct. Also, make sure to set a stop loss and take profit level to manage your risk and potential profits. By following these steps, you can place a new order on Metatrader 5 and start trading the financial markets. Remember to always use proper risk management techniques and to trade within your means. It is also important to stay up to date with market news and analysis to make informed trading decisions. With practice and experience, you can become proficient in placing orders on Metatrader 5 and achieve your trading goals.